Hi, a big thank you for everybody who loved the moong lettuce wraps, the vegetarian ones, and requested for a non-vegetarian recipe. So today we thought of sharing across this non-vegetarian lettuce wraps recipe. It's again very simple, very easy to put together, and of course nutritious for 2 months of healthy eating. Hi, welcome to 3 Spoonsful by Shweta Mehra, and today let us see how to make these non-vegetarian lettuce wraps. Today, since I found them, I'm going to be using these baby shrimp, which you can see over there. But if you don't find baby shrimp, it doesn't matter. You can just buy regular ones, just a little smaller size, or you could even use chicken mince. The rest of the things that we are going to use are again things that you find at home. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to take a kadai or a wok and place it on heat. Next I'm just adding a little bit of oil to saute everything in. And once the oil heats up, I'm going to add some chopped onion to this. If you do have spring onion, you can absolutely add that along with the greens. It in fact gives a beautiful color. I did not get it, so I'm just using normal onion. So like you can tell, all my recipes are pretty forgiving. You can use what you have at home. To this, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. The onion doesn't need to get extremely brown. You just need to let it get a little translucent and then add the rest of the ingredients. And once that is cooked and the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes off, I'm adding in the baby shrimp. I actually don't know what else it's called. In Bombay we call it karandi. It's really tiny shrimp that you get and it tastes fabulous. Like you can see, once you just toss it up a little bit, it gets cooked, and it gets cooked very quickly. Next I'm just going to season this a little bit. So I'm adding a little bit of salt. Further down in the recipe we are also going to add soy sauce. That's why I've kept the salt a little low. And we'll also add some red chili powder and saute it well together. At this point I'm going to add in tomato ketchup. If you like it a little more spicy, you could also add some chili sauce to this. And soy sauce. And then it's just mix and let it cook well. Now for a bit of crunch, I'm just adding in a few cashews. This step is optional. If you want, you could add the cashews, or else you could just skip it. And then we'll just let this cook well. So I'm just letting it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And that's it. It's cooked, it's done. So now all we need to do is plate this up and make it into our lovely wraps. I have added a little bit of coriander in here because I desperately wanted the green color. This is iceberg lettuce that I have washed properly and dunked in cold water for around 2 minutes. Ice cold water. And then just arrange it on a plate. And you can see that the mixture that we are going to spoon into it is steaming hot, and this combination tastes wonderful. So then you just add into each lettuce leaf, and this whole crunchy, warm, hot shrimp, it just tastes very nice. And that's it. This is another simple recipe for 2 months of healthy eating. You could definitely try and make this. And if you do like this recipe, give it a try. Let us know how you like the taste of it. Let us know what else you would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notifications so that you know every time we update a video. This is how these wraps look, and I guarantee you will love it. So do like, share and subscribe, and see you soon in the next recipe. Thank you. Bye.